Hello, my name is David Montaño. This is my workshop product one. Hello Talk. Uh, the application is called the Hello Talk. I think a very good application to learn to speak English because it is very dynamic and yes and use to use it we use. Hey, hey, to download it there, create username and password, and use a chat to start talking. The application for me is very good and use because for me it's very dynamic and uh, their their emoji help in their apprentice for their for the correct uh, of English and student present. In conclusion, is their application Hello Talk is very good for the correct and in their everybody student. Thank you very so much.